Hi everyone, welcome to Wisdom Win 456. This is the first continuation video on our data transmission series. Before we understand how data is transmitted over a network, we first need to understand a few basic computer science terms. What does a computer understand? A computer does not understand English, Kannada, or any other human language. It understands only two signals, on and off, represented by 1 and 0. That's why every instruction is converted into binary before the computer can process it. Think of a light switch. Light off is equal to 0, whereas light on is equal to 1. Just as a light has only two states. A computer's electronic circuits also have only two states. That's why a computer understands only zeros and ones. Now you know what a computer can understand. The next term is data. Data is the most common word we use every day while using a mobile phone or a computer. But have you ever thought about what data actually means? Data is any piece of information that can be stored, processed, or shared by a computer. For an example, your name, photo, a song, a video, all of these are examples of data. Here's the interesting part. Human can read letters, numbers, images and videos. A computer cannot understand them directly. It converts every type of data into just two digits, 0 and 1. These are called binary digits or bits. Once the data is converted into zeros and ones, the computer can store it, process it, and transfer it from one device to another. So, data is simply a collection of facts and figures that we enter into a computer, such as text, numbers, images, audio, video, etc. Example: Wisdom Win, YouTube, Suma 456. The next concept is information. Information is processed and meaningful data that gives us knowledge or help us understanding something. For example, Wisdom Win 456 is my YouTube channel name. Today is Thursday. Tomorrow I will upload another video explaining the next basic concepts. These sentences are meaningful, so they are information. The next concept is how data travels as signals. Now, already we know that data doesn't travel as letters, photos, or videos. Instead, it travels as electrical signals represented by ones and zeros. At the receiving end, the computer converts those zeros and ones back into text, images, audio, or videos that we can understand. Key points. Data is a collection of raw facts, information, organized and meaningful data that help us understand or make decisions. Computer understand only zeros and ones. Data travels in the form of electrical signals. In the next video, we will learn the next basic concept required to understand how data travels across a network. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, comment, subscribe. And don't forget to click the notification bell to stay updated with the upcoming videos. Thank you.